Alright, welcome to the behind the scenes. We have a camera on the counter here. You can see some blood there. I have an RA750 in the Chimera with two things of diffusion, and as you can see I have a grid that isn't made for that Chimera, but I kind of makeshifted it so it keeps it off the wall here. And then up there I took out all the light bulbs but left one and put a China ball over it. And then I took out those light bulbs too, so that we had a little bit more light. And then I used the natural light from outside to kind of bring in that morning light. Also, I put in some gels inside the Chimera. You can see the gel, the blue gel, and I also have a double to make it so it's not quite so bright. I wanted it to be more of a fill rather than the key. I wanted this side over here to be the key and this side to be the fill. And then I used the light up above as kind of an eye light and to fill in a little bit of the shadows. And also I'm filming on the 18-35 lens Ursa Mini 4K small HD to be able to see myself since I'm just recording myself. So here's a fun little trick that I'm doing. I'm actually using this mirror here as a reflector to give my face a little bit of fill, because I didn't have room on this side for another light, but I had this mirror on the wall, so it worked out really well. I put it on a slider so I could get it out over the sink a little more, and then as you can see it's kind of the overhead shot that I'm doing right now. And the thing is I kind of have to move this light around, but there's not a ton of room to move it. So it's just a very slight movements here and there. A lot of it is so I didn't get a lot of shadow on the sink when I was doing the scene. And then the tripod didn't quite go as high as I wanted. So it's very precarious right now. Anyway, so this is just kind of another setup that I did. Still have the China ball up top with the door closed. You got some good light coming through the window, and then the light from the Chimera.